Hello and welcome to the shed. In today's video I'm going to be making a very basic hammer storage rack. Go in the cabinet up here. I keep having them fall over, fall out of the cabinets. You might have seen it in some of the videos. I think I showed it where they were jumping out. So I've got some scrap pieces of wood here. I've got to remove a few nails and just sort this out. So we're going to make a very basic hammer storage rack today. Hope you enjoy. Got to get this to length now. I'm just going to eyeball it to about there. Ooh, that one goes in fine now. You could opt to not glue this on. I'm not putting much. As you can see, it was previously off a piece of furniture. I think it was off a bed or something like that. let's give it a bit of a finish. So now I've got it done, let's get in the cabinet and see how it looks. So there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this quick little hand tool build. I know it's a very basic build, but it does utilize a lot of the techniques and tools that we use regularly for marking, layout, shooting boards, all of that for our accuracy. And a project like this, in my opinion, is actually a very good way to build your skills up. It's just a little rack that's going to be hidden away in a cupboard. It doesn't really matter if you make any mistakes. You saw that I had my Forstner bit slip there, but I did correct my process by pre-drilling it so it didn't slide for the other ones. But all in all, it turned out fine, and it's going to do the job that I wanted it for. This is just a temporary rack in here. These are going to go in the new chest or cabinet that I build when I get onto that. But until then, I've been sick and tired of these hammers falling on the floor, as I mentioned at the start, and so it's not going to happen anymore. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to share the video. And while you're down there, sound off in the comments. What silly little builds have you done that are quite functional, but utilize a lot of different hand tool techniques? I'm eager to find out. Until next time, bye for now.